everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download the driver canon in my class this here for serial, and this is here for your type here driver download. And please why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website the uh, not a virus and easy download. And this here for official website, this here for the website and scanner for the printer. Okay, this here for official, you scroll down, and this here for support your the windows, and for the windows support. Click back, and this here for the click here. Okay, and this here for the printer and scanner. Click here, and this here for download, this here for support for your Windows. And if you change the operating system, just click here, this here for the Windows 11, and this here for the Mac. Okay, this here for the support for the new Mac, the new driver for Macintosh. Okay, driver and scanner, and this here for the Linux, the support. Okay, this video I need download driver for the Windows 11, new version for the Windows. Okay, this is for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows Server, and Windows 11, new version for the Windows. Click here. Okay, if you need download, you click here button. This here for the setup instruction for the cable USB connection. Okay, information file, disclaimer. If you need download, you click here for the download. This one. If you need to install for the your printer or the setup for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press what finish refer download. If you finish refer download, double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the type automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.